Gold and silver traded in a range bound manner and with slight bullish bias, I can say. Gold has been seen taking support at 2024 levels, while silver beautifully respecting 2350-60 zone. So, what to expect today from gold and silver? Can we expect a rally again, or there is a possibility of reversal? There are a couple of swing events. There are ADP non-farm payrolls data, then George Job openings, and then the Powell's testimony to the house. So yes, three key events and obviously the US session 4 volatility events today for gold and silver. What to expect, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment to stay tuned with the twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. Let's start first gold followed with silver. And yes, if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships in order to support the effort here and get additional benefits. Let's start. See first, if you look at the early charts, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, it has taken the support beautifully from the 20 period moving average. Also, it is delivering higher highs and higher lows. So it is still staying in this bullish channel. As long as now you can see how strong is the support created at 2023-2024 levels. You can find out this, and thus it has become a good selling entry. Once you see gold staying beyond 2123, rather 2120, yes, you can sell there below 2123. Expect 2120 nearest support, very good support, and then 2114. If these two levels are taken, then only you can treat gold as bearish, else it is not yet bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD has seen strong bearish momentum. Now it is trying to converge. A crossover here can lead to bullish momentum again. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. Retracement here, reversal sign, and see it is seen taking support here from the 20 period moving average and 2124 levels. Thus it needs to break this zone specifically between 2124 to 2120 in order to stay bearish here. If you look at the flat closing of the previous candle, suggests that there are still bullishness. Thus we need to be stay cautious of this. Stochastic rising, MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness. If you look at RSI, this is overbought. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. Earlier in the day I have mentioned one thing, that see the bullish candles are bigger, the retracement candles are smaller in size. Now what has happened, it has shown a reversal here. After the reversal we have seen one flat bullish candle. Now unless and until it breaks beyond on the upside towards 2135-36 zone, I will not recommend you to buy. Once it breaks beyond 2135-36, remember it is going to deliver another strong bullish candle, taking it till towards 2140-42 first target, and then 2148-50 the next targets. Look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Now 20 period moving average sitting at around 2110 levels, 2110 levels, which is going to be a good support level. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence. This is important to note, as this crossover has come at a slightly higher level. Thus I expect it to continue with the bearish bias. Thus as far as the farther it goes on the upside, the stronger pull it will get on the downside, and we may see it getting a pullback and a drop. If it continues to rise, certainly let's say 2140-42 it achieves, possibly every candle it may try to get a pullback on the downside before rising. RSI overbought. Coming to 4 hours, so it appears that see it is bullish, but the bullishness or the rise is not going to be easier. Even if it tries to rise, there should be a pullback. Now very important point is the support it is getting here at 2124. Now this is something it needs to break. Once it breaks below 2124, 2120 zone, you can say the bears will take over towards 2114 and 2110 levels at least. Now see the flat closing of the previous candle suggests that there is still bullishness. That is very clear. Stochastic rising, MACD, look at it has converged, but it has not yet crossover. The crossover is what we have to wait, else it can again start to diverge and rise. RSI is still staying overbought. Coming to before we look into daily charts and I share the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself. 29 batch started couple of weeks back. Do reach out to me for any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signal service. Yes, you can be part of my signal service on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services here. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, with lowest spreads and swap-free account, and the transfers are easier, safe, you can find the recommended broker in the channel video link and yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Now look at the daily chart. See, certainly if you see this, look at yesterday's candle, the bullishness has got diminished, but the closer of the candle, the body size is almost greater than half or 60% of the complete move. This suggests that it has shown a pullback but not a reversal. Second thing is it is staying outside Bollinger Bands. Thus, the farther it goes from the current levels, possibility of it to get a pullback exists. Now, what we can do, we can expect a symmetrical candle as well. Where are the lows? 2110. Where are the highs? 2142. Swings can be seen here. The stochastic is staying overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought as well. Considering this, those who want to sell, you can sell here at 2123. Just a notch below the support levels at 2124. You can sell at 2123. Wait for 2120, the first resistance zone, and then 2114.15 the next. So this zone completely, rather let me say 2110 and 2120, this complete zone is a very good support zone and it can bounce back from these levels. This is one probability you should look at. Second is on the upside, you can buy here at 2135. 36 levels. Beyond this, you can look forward to 2140.42 as the next targets, and beyond 2140.42, we are looking forward to 48 and 50. Stronger rise can be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 2123 and 2135.36 levels. Let's have a look at silver. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned that this is under retracement. It is still under retracement. Lower highs, lower lows are seen. On the downside, see, remember one thing very, very clearly. It needs to break below 2360.50 zone, which is definitely a very, very good support. I will share this on the daily charts why it is a good support. Previously, it was the resistance. Now, what has happened? After the drop, it is under retracement. It is trying to stay in this channel. Now, once it stays below 2365, you can expect 2365.60 as a support. You can sell here. When you see the higher price below 2360, you can higher price below 2360, you can sell here and expect it to drop towards 2350, 2340 levels first support, and then 2320 as the next. Right now, it is under retracement. Remember, it is under retracement, and it may try to in fact go closer towards 2390 levels as well. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is on the, it has just crossed over and it is can continue to diverge. RSI flat. Coming to 2, look at 2 hour charts. What it has done on the 2 hour charts, taken the support from the 20 period moving average. It is staying in this retracement. See, the drop was sharp. The retracement is gradual. This suggests that still there is bearishness. This is under retracement, not a reversal. Yes, once it breaks beyond 2385, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 2395, 24. But 24 is the level. Only and only if silver trades about $24 levels, you can say that it has reversed. Stochastic overbought. MACD is still bearish. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour charts. A reversal sign is seen here. And you can see 2 candles getting a push from the downside, and it is trying to reverse. Now, if it breaks beyond 2380.85, in fact, when you see the lower price about 2380, you can buy here. That is, one can expect it to move towards 2395, $24 levels, and from those levels, a retracement cannot be denied. A stochastic rising. MACD is still trading bearish here. Yes, it has crossed over at the top. It is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Remember, look at the waves here in silver, and it is still dealing with the waves, though higher highs are created, but the lows are intact, and thus it can retrace. Stochastic, comfortable. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour charts here. You can see a symmetrical formation here with higher highs and higher lows. So yes, once it breaks below 2360, possibly 2360.50 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm further bearishness. Remember this fact, below 2350 is where we might see increasing bearishness. Below 2350 is where we can look forward to 2320, 2330 zone. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over. Now see, MACD is diverging here. Increasing body size suggests that it can continue to diverge with increasing bearishness. Thus, you need to be careful here. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to now, look at daily charts. See, first of all, I had discussed earlier in the day lower highs, so it can in fact move towards. See, lower lows are done, so it can in fact move towards lower highs as well. But still, I will not treat this as bullish unless and until it breaks beyond 2420. It is only to be treated bullish as if it breaks beyond 2420. Second is be careful at around 2380.85. Beyond that, you can look forward to $24 levels and 24. See, 10 cents here, so 10 cents here, it can go closer to this. It can show you good swings. Be watchful of this, and reverse from those levels are also possible. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI staying flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2380.85 zone. You can buy here. Wait for 2395, $24 levels, the first resistance zone. 2415, 2420, the next resistance zone. If it breaks beyond 2420, consider that silver has reversed and it is looking forward to the moon, to the sky, and we can see a very strong rally towards 2450 levels. On the downside, a selling entry at 2360, 2350 zone can be taken. Rather, I will recommend you can sell here at 2365 60 zone itself, where you can expect it to move towards 2350 first target, and then below 2350 this time I will expect it to move towards 2320 2330 zone as the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the US session, with the Europe session update. Watch that as well. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you.